Top 9 Best Car Cleaning Washing Kits 2026. Find out the best products for you.
Number 1. This Chemical Guys 16-piece car cleaning washing kit delivers everything needed for a professional wash at home. Its pressure washer foam cannon connects to standard washers, creating thick, clinging suds for a scratch-free clean. You get tools for every step: a bucket, grit guard, wash mitt, and drying towels. The pH-balanced formulas are safe for paint and wheels, giving showroom results. Just remember, it doesn't include the pressure washer itself. For comprehensive detailing, this kit is a solid option. Number 2. Complete 8-piece car cleaning kit. That's what this offers. This Meguiar's classic wash and wax car detailing kit cleans inside and out, including wheels, tires, exterior, and interior surfaces. It's a truly comprehensive set for any car. You get gold-class car wash foam soap with optical brighteners for a dazzling finish. The one-step cleaner wax is formulated for best results on all glossy paints and clear coats. However, it's a basic maintenance kit, not for advanced paint correction. Still, for a premium, all-in-one car cleaning washing kit, it's a solid pick. Number 3. An all-in-one car detailing solution, that's what this 8-piece Car Gods kit offers. It covers every stage, wash to wax, with fallout eliminator, wheel cleaner, and pH-neutral shampoo. The interior detailer's low-alcohol formula cleans glass, plastic, and trim streak-free. Its innovative formulas offer deep cleaning and paintwork protection. It also cuts through grease, encapsulating dust for a super clean interior. Just know, it includes a pigmented tire serum, which might not be everyone's preference. But for a comprehensive car cleaning washing kit, it's a solid, convenient choice. Number 4. 24 items for complete car detailing. Adam's Essential Car Wash Kit truly covers every surface, inside and out. Its pH-balanced formulas are safe for clear coat, plastic, and even leather, leaving zero residue. This auto-detailing car care cleaning kit is made in the USA, trusted by pros, and great for beginners. While it offers amazing versatility for quick washes or deep details, its sheer comprehensiveness might be overkill for the most casual user. Number 5. Everything you need for paint decontamination. This Car Gods clay bar and lubricant spray is a complete kit for serious car cleaning. It effectively removes embedded contaminants, improving your vehicle's paintwork quality. Using it creates a super smooth surface, which helps your wax last longer. You'll also get more efficient polishing, leading to a refined, unblemished finish. Plus, it's safe for all bodywork and paint types. The floral-scented formulation is a unique addition. Just remember, this isn't a quick wash. It's a vital detailing step for anyone aiming for professional-level results. Number 6. This complete 5-piece wheel and tire kit is a standout. It brings everything you need for dedicated wheel care: a rim cleaner, a brush, tire shine, an applicator pad, and a towel. Plus, it's safe for both OEM and aftermarket wheels. It doesn't include anything for the rest of your vehicle, so it's not a full car cleaning washing kit. But for tackling brake dust and adding shine, it's a solid, convenient package. Number 7. Zero residue, total visibility. The Invisible Glass Windshield Treatment Kit delivers streak-free results for your car's glass. Perfect for a comprehensive car cleaning washing kit. It's a 5-piece kit. You get anti-fog for interior windows, preventing condensation during temperature changes. Plus, there's a powerful rain repellent for your exterior that handles sleet and snow. Everything included is ammonia-free, so there are no streaky soaps or dyes. Just remember, the rain repellent and anti-fog aren't permanent. Reapplication is key. For enhanced visibility and safety, it's a smart pickup. Number 8. Handles every vinyl wrap finish. This Rev Auto Kit is a 3-item car cleaning washing kit, specifically for gloss, satin, matte, and chrome wraps. You get a dedicated detailer, shampoo, and light stain remover. Its strength is that targeted versatility. No more guessing what's safe. Just know it's for wraps only, not traditional paint. It's a smart pick for dedicated vinyl wrap owners. Number 9. It's the all-in-one car care kit. This Griot's garage set covers your vehicle detailing from top to bottom, making it perfect for beginners or restocking your favorites. You get 6 essential products, including a super concentrated car wash and high carnauba best of show wax. It also includes wheel cleaner, clay, speed shine, and vinyl/rubber dressing. Advanced detailers might want more specialized formulas, but for a complete car cleaning washing kit to keep your ride looking sharp, this offers excellent value.
Thanks for watching Best Car Cleaning Washing Kits. Check the links in description for more details and best prices.